A courtroom is a place where justice is sought, evidence is presented, and legal battles are fought. It is a setting that demands respect, decorum, and adherence to established protocols. However, there have been instances where defendants have shown utter disrespect towards the court, the judge, and the entire legal system. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the 10 most disrespectful defendants ever in court. Yeah, you heard it right. The disruptive shouter. During a high-profile murder trial, the defendant, who was filled with fury, shouted profanities and insults at the judge in a constant manner, which caused proceedings to be disrupted. Not only did his disrespectful behavior cause disruption throughout the trial, but it also questioned the legitimacy of the authority of the court. The repeat offender. This defendant had a long history of run-ins with the law. During one of his trials, he showed total and utter disdain for the proceedings, openly making fun of the questions that the judge had asked and demonstrating a brazen disrespect for the gravity of the allegations that were brought against him. The defiant one. In a case involving white-collar crimes, the defendant continuously interrupted the proceedings, objecting to every question asked by the prosecution. His flagrant disregard for the functioning of the judicial system was demonstrated by his open challenge to the authority of the court. The defiant escape artist. In a case that captured national attention, a defendant facing multiple serious charges decided to take matters into his own hands. During the trial, he made a sudden and audacious attempt to escape from the courtroom, ignoring the pleas of the judge and the bailiffs. He scaled the courtroom barrier, causing chaos and panic among those present. This brazen act of disrespect not only disrupted the trial, but also endangered the safety of everyone involved. The dismissive displayer. In a trial involving a white-collar criminal scandal, the defendant, a high-profile executive, showed a complete disregard for the court and its proceedings. Throughout the trial, he consistently displayed a dismissive and arrogant attitude. He openly rolled his eyes at the judge, smirked at the opposing counsel, and made condescending gestures towards the jury. Such contemptuous behavior not only undermined the integrity of the legal process, but also demonstrated a profound lack of respect for the gravity of the charges that he faced. The nonchalant defendant. The defendant appeared entirely disinterested in the proceedings, frequently yawning, checking the time, and showing no regard for the gravity of the charges that he faced. The judge and the lawyers who were there were extremely irritated by his casual demeanor. The insulting inmate. During a sentencing hearing, the defendant directed a series of disrespectful insults toward the victim and their family. Even if the court had to step in to restore order, the environment couldn't be saved from the harm that had already been done. The defiant body language. Sometimes it's not just words that convey disrespect. During the course of the proceedings, in one instance, a defendant displayed an arrogant demeanor by slouching in their chair, rolling their eyes, and smiling throughout the ordeal. The gravity of the proceeding was called into question by such body language. The disruptive witness. In a trial that involved multiple defendants, one of them decided to disrupt the proceedings by shouting objections while another defendant was testifying. This blatant contempt for the legal system was displayed by the purposeful endeavor to cause chaos that was made. The accuser becomes the defendant. In a highly unusual turn of events, a defendant who initially accused others of wrongdoing ended up displaying a disrespectful demeanor when the tables were turned. It was clear that this defendant had no regard for the rules of justice, which made their hypocrisy all the more obvious. The courtroom is a sacred space where respect for the rule of law, the judge, and the entire legal process is expected. However, there have been numerous instances where defendants displayed shocking levels of disrespect, undermining the authority of the court and the pursuit of justice. Such behavior not only disrupts the proceedings, but also reflects a larger problem within society. It is crucial to maintain decorum and respect in the courtroom to ensure a fair and just legal system for all. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.